Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix your Steam download speed if it's dropping to 0. So first, you need to open your Steam application on your device and also make sure that you're logged into your PC. Now click on Steam in the top left corner of the screen and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. A new menu will appear and you need to click on Downloads option from the left-hand side, which is between Library and Storage. Then scroll down and there you'll see the option of Clear Download Cache. Go ahead and click on Clear Cache and your Steam will close and restart automatically. This is completely normal and you don't need to worry about it. Another thing you can do is you can go to Settings and go to Downloads and also select the download region that is geographically closest to you. Choosing the nearest server can improve download stability and prevent speed drops. Now go to your Windows search bar and type in View Network Connections and open it. Double click on the network adapter that you're using right now. And from this window, click on Properties. Give Administrative Privileges. Here scroll down and select the option of Internet Protocol version for TCP/IP v4. Make sure that the box is checked and double click on it to open its properties window. Now select Use the following DNS server address. In the top, enter 1111 and then enter 1001. And here type 8888 and then type 8844. Then click on OK and you'll be done. After that, close the network connection window, go to the Windows search bar and type in CMD. Open the command prompt as an administrator. And from the window that appears, you need to ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter on your keyboard. Then enter netsh winsock reset and press enter. Close command prompt and restart your computer and try downloading your game on Steam again. If nothing works, you can try uninstalling the Steam application on your device and then reinstall it using the official website or the Microsoft Store as well. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.